Kaboom! Good morning! Good morning, world! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Bounty Killer, and we are here at Uptown Mondays in Kingston, Jamaica, with the JAHJAH Foundation from New York and New Jersey. They are here to offer free health care, and this is a great effort, a good venture, and we are asking people all over the world to join and be a part and support the JAHJAH Foundation. We are here with Dr. Dixon and all the other doctors from the JAHJAH Foundation. And we just want to say that we appreciate the effort that they are making to offer the free health care to our nation in Jamaica. And we are asking the world, be a part of JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH, creation, the foundation. Big up on yourself. We're loving this. Dr. Dixon.
Yeah, this is JAHJAH Foundation. Enough respect, Bounty Killer.
Respect.
Warlord. We love Jamaica. You love Jamaica. You fight for Jamaica.
Yo.
We fight for Jamaica. JAHJAH Foundation 2015, 2016, 2017.
It's the most of wealth, the health. The health is the most significant thing in your wealth. So health is wealth.
JAHJAH Foundation, we love the dancehall. JAHJAH Foundation is in the dancehall, providing HIV, diabetes and hypertension. We now stop, we now left the dancehall. Big up Witty, Uptown Mondays, having us here. Big up Bounty Killer.
Straight. JAHJAH Foundation, big up on yourself. We love you all. It's a great effort. And we will always support the JAHJAH Foundation. Blessed love. And stay blessed. Love you all.
Love and respect. One love.